Here's the myth that keeps creators stuck. Sponsorships pay more than affiliate links. That's not always true, and today we'll show you why the math is more interesting than the headline. If you've ever compared a $500 sponsorship deal to a 20% affiliate commission, you probably assumed the sponsorship wins. It feels safer. It feels like real money now. But that comparison is missing half the story. Welcome back to Everything Happens for Us. I'm going to walk through this calmly, step by step, because the affiliate vs. sponsorship decision isn't about which one is better, it's about which one matches where you are right now. Quick honest note before we go further. This video has no affiliate links and nothing to promote. No disclosure needed today, just the process, laid out plainly. Let's name the myths one at a time. Myth 1. Sponsorships are guaranteed income. Affiliate income is not. True on the surface, a sponsor pays you regardless of results. But that guarantee is a one-time event. It doesn't compound. Affiliate income, when it's tied to evergreen content, can keep paying out long after the video is published. Neither is better. They're different shapes of the same curve. Myth 2. Affiliate marketing is only for people with huge audiences. Not true. Affiliate performance depends on intent matching, not audience size. A small channel with a highly specific, high-intent audience can outperform a much larger general one, because the offer actually fits what the viewer already wanted. Myth 3. Sponsorships are more professional. This one's just optics. A sponsorship is a brand paying for exposure. An affiliate partnership is a brand paying for outcomes. Neither is inherently more credible. What matters is whether you'd recommend the product if there were no payment at all. Myth 4. You have to pick one path and stay loyal to it. Also false. Most sustainable creators run both, at different stages of the same content. Sponsorship for the upfront reach, affiliate links for the long-tail follow-through. So here's the real distinction. Stripped of hype, sponsorships pay for attention. Affiliate offers pay for action. That's it. That's the whole model. Which means the real question isn't which pays more. It's what does this specific piece of content actually create? Attention or action? A tutorial video where someone follows step by step and needs a tool at minute 6? That's an action moment. Affiliate fits naturally. A big launch video, a reaction, a first impressions piece? That's an attention moment. Sponsorship fits naturally. Here's the step-by-step way to decide, and I'd suggest doing this before you record anything. Step 1. Ask what the viewer is trying to do when they land on this video. Are they exploring or are they ready to act? Step 2. Check if there's a natural decision point in your content. A moment where someone would reasonably click something to move forward. If there's no natural moment, forcing an affiliate link will feel like an ad break, not a recommendation. Step 3. Look at the content's shelf life. Search-driven, evergreen content favors affiliate because SEO traffic keeps arriving quietly, months later, without you doing anything new. Step 4. Treat sponsorship money as a lump sum for today and affiliate as a slow drip that depends entirely on how well the content keeps ranking and getting found. Neither path is passive. Both require the content to keep earning its place in search and recommendations. Let's look at an honest case study. No names, just the shape of it, because the shape is what matters. A creator in the productivity tools space ran 2 videos in the same month. One was a sponsored unboxing-style video. Good attention, one-time payout, mostly gone from view within 2 weeks. The second video was a plain, unglamorous tutorial, how to set up X tool step by step. No sponsorship, just an affiliate link placed at the exact moment the viewer needed the tool to continue. 6 months later, the sponsored video had essentially stopped generating anything. Normal, because sponsorships aren't built to compound. The tutorial video was still showing up in search results, still being watched, still generating occasional affiliate activity. Not dramatic, but steady. That's not a claim that affiliate wins. It's a demonstration that time horizon changes the comparison entirely. Sponsorship for now, affiliate for later. Different tools, different jobs. This is also where AI quietly earns its keep in the process. Not to fake authority, but to save time honestly. Use it to check search intent behind a topic before you decide which model fits. Is this a compare options query or a how do I do this query? That single question shapes the entire monetization decision. So here's today's takeaway, plainly stated. Stop asking which pays more. Start asking what moment in the content you're actually creating, attention or action, and let the model follow the moment, not the other way around. If this helped make sense of a decision you've been going back and forth on, subscribe. We walk through one honest, process-driven topic like this every week. No hype, just the mechanics. And if you want to see this same intent-matching framework applied to a real piece of content, start to finish, drop a comment with the type of video you're planning, tutorial, comparison, or launch reaction, and I'll use it as the next case study. No rush, no pressure, no fake certainty about outcomes. Just a clearer way to think about the choice in front of you. Thanks for spending this time here. We'll keep it calm, we'll keep it specific, and we'll keep showing the process, because that's the part that actually holds up. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.